Hi all. In this session, we'll discuss the measurement of three-phase power using 2 wattmeter method. The aim of the experiment is to measure the three-phase power by using two single-phase wattmeters. Apparatus required for this experiment: a AC ammeter, a AC voltmeter, a single phase AC wattmeter. In single phase AC wattmeter, it measures the line current as well as line voltage. One important step in the wattmeter is to find the wattmeter constant. The wattmeter constant K is equal to numerator side V selected, I selected, cos phi divided by full scale reading of the wattmeter. So K, wattmeter constant K is equal to 300 is V selected, 5 amperes is I selected, cos phi is unity 1 divided by full scale reading is 600, so that is equal to 2.5. So the reading shown in the wattmeter should be multiplied by wattmeter constant. Another apparatus required is the load. It is three-phase star connected resistive bank. In this, the switches are used to apply the load in steps. Observe the circuit diagram. R phase, Y phase, B phase, three-phase connection is given to three-phase auto transformer input. From the output of the auto transformer connected to ammeter to measure the line current. From ammeter it is connected to single phase wattmeter M. L is connected to the load. Next, from Y phase it is connected to the load, and B phase the second wattmeter, that is W2, is connected. Both the wattmeters measure the voltage with respect to Y phase, and the three-phase star connected load bank. This is the circuit connection. You can observe the circuit connection here. Input supply three-phase, auto transformer, load, voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter W1, wattmeter W2. Procedure for conduction. Circuit connections are made as per the circuit diagram. The supply switch is closed. By varying the auto transformer, supply the voltage of 400 is applied. The load is in steps, and every step take the reading of voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter W1, wattmeter W2. Step 4 is repeated until the current reaches rated value. After that, reduce the load to 0, reduce the supply voltage to 0 and switch off the supply. Now we observe the demo of the experiment. Circuit connections are made as per the circuit diagram, and switch on the supply. Apply the rated voltage using auto transformer from 0 to 400 volts. So voltmeter is showing now 400 volts. Resistive load bank. So once the 400 volts is set, now no need to take initial reading. Put two switches initially for loading. Once the load is put as a step 1, take the ammeter current, wattmeter W1 reading. So it is showing similarly wattmeter W2 reading. Whatever the reading shown in the wattmeter should be multiplied by wattmeter constant and written The W1 is 387 watts, W2 is 225 watts, total power consumed is 612 watts. Similarly, load in steps, so take 5 readings. Here voltage is common for all the 5 readings and observe the tabular column. So tabular column is shown here. Voltage is common, current varied in steps by putting the switches. So W1 and W2, total power consumed by the 3-phase load is W1 plus W2. So reference for this is Basic Electrical Engineering textbook. Author is Kulashrestha. Thank you, students.